of the first human ancestors. God, being omniscient and omnipotent, must have known about the deviant acts of the human ancestors. He saw what was going on amongst our first human ancestors. Then the question is, why then did God not intervene to prevent the fall? Was God able to intervene? Of course, God can do whatever he wants. He's God. But why is it that the God of principle, of order, and of law did not intervene? There are three reasons. The first is to maintain the absoluteness and the perfection of the principle. If God, perfect and absolute, were to contradict his own laws of nature and creation, were to violate his own principle and reach into the realm where human beings are still growing, unable to identify and relate with God directly, in order to correct or protect them, he would be undermining the very value of the principle and its absoluteness. Secondly, it was so that God alone would be the creator. If God were to acknowledge the self-centered love and relate with it, the love that was developing centered on the archangel, God would be acknowledging what he had created. He would have been including in his own realm of authority the elements that are outside the principle, outside the law. And so in order to maintain the sole position of creator and not to empower the role of the false god, Satan, he did not intervene in the fall. The third reason is to make human beings the lords of creation. If God had intervened prior to our maturity in order to protect us, he would have undermined our own authority, our own creative responsibility, making us not self-realized co-creators, but those who were controlled and manipulated. While it would have prevented the tragedy of the fall, it would have undermined the very value for which he created human beings, to be free, creative, responsible, loving children. For these reasons, God was not able, did not intervene in the fall. These are the basic and introductory aspects of the fall of man. I am sure that questions have arisen, that areas of concern and deeper study are necessary. Be sure to contact your local family federation, obtain a copy of the Divine Principle, or study in further seminars. Thank you very much.